Dear student, in this video, I am going to explain important questions from the second unit. Second unit name is Battery Chemistry and Corrosion. First part is about batteries. What is a battery and what are the types of batteries? We are going to discuss about that. Next, corrosion. Classification of batteries. Primary battery, secondary battery, reserve battery. These are the batteries, category of batteries. Along with that, fuel cells are there, lithium ion battery, etc. So here I will explain the topics. Electric vehicles, fuel cells for electric vehicles, differences between battery and fuel cell, construction and applications of methanol oxygen fuel cell, solid oxide fuel cell, solar cells. Solar cells is a new topic. At the same time, it is important as a long answer question for external examination. Next, causes and effects of corrosion. Better to choose corrosion topic first. Okay, to prepare for external examination, if you want to get one type of feeling, we covered some topics, means if you want to get such type of feeling, better to choose corrosion part first from the second unit. Because corrosion topic, whole corrosion topic is theory part only. So here causes and effects of corrosion. That is why first I am explaining about corrosion, which is followed by batteries, battery chemistry. Okay. First, causes and effects of corrosion, theories of electrochemical corrosion. First we need to understand what is a corrosion. Corrosion definition is important. Effects of corrosion, they asked one of the long answer question. Whenever they start that R22 regulation, they asked the effects of corrosion. So effects of corrosion also important. Theories of corrosion, definite question. In single word we can say there is no external examination question paper without this question. We can say daily, because chemical and electrochemical corrosion is these two topics are very important, especially mechanism of electrochemical corrosion. So from here to here only one topic. They may ask either chemical corrosion or electrochemical corrosion. Most probably they will ask, there may be a chance to ask about electrochemical corrosion. Next, one of the long answer question is galvanic corrosion, waterline corrosion, pitting corrosion. Factors, that means not that much important. Corrosion controlling method topic is repeated so many times. Either sacrificial anodic method or impressed current cathodic method. Okay. So these are the important topics. Once again I am repeating, in corrosion part, most important long answer question is, what is that? Yes, that is nothing but chemical and electrochemical corrosion, mechanism of electrochemical corrosion. Mechanism of electrochemical corrosion is repeated so many times. Okay, there may be a chance to ask, there may be a scope to ask either galvanic corrosion. These types of corrosion, three types of corrosions are there in our syllabus: galvanic corrosion, waterline corrosion and pitting corrosion. There may be a chance to ask these questions as one of the long answer question or short answer question. In one video I will explain how is that external examination pattern before examination. Okay, first I will explain about this pattern, important questions followed by pattern. So, and last important topic from corrosion is corrosion controlling method. Cathodic protection, these are the types of cathodic protection. Don't get confusion. Cathodic protection, if they ask this question, what is cathodic protection? You have to say cathodic protection is nothing but if any metal acts as cathode, that will be protected by corrosion. If any metal acts as anode, that is undergoes corrosion. So we need to force that anodic metal to behave like a cathode to protect from the corrosion. That is why this topic is called as cathodic protection, that can done either by sacrificial anodic method or by impressed current cathodic method. This is about corrosion part. Look into the battery chemistry. In battery chemistry, lithium ion battery question is important. Next, zinc air battery. These are the most important questions. So to get the idea about what is a lithium ion battery and zinc air battery, we need to look into the introduction part. That is what is the classification of batteries. Batteries are classified into primary batteries, secondary batteries, reserve batteries. Reserve battery example is zinc air battery. Secondary battery example is lithium ion battery. Clear? So zinc air battery is important topic. Lithium ion battery also important topic as a long answer question. Next, here applications are very important. Electrochemistry applications. Applications of lithium ion battery for electrical vehicles. So we need to get some idea about what are the applications of that lithium ion battery. Next, fuel cell. Fuel cell battery differences. Fuel cell, so many fuel cells are there, but in our syllabus they specified methanol oxygen fuel cell, solid oxide fuel cells. Till now they asked only one time about this. Solar cell question they asked for 2 times, including supply and regular. Solar cells topic is repeated 2 times. Lithium ion battery is repeated 2 times. Next, zinc air battery 2 times. There may be a chance to ask this question this time. Methanol oxygen fuel cell or solid oxide fuel cell. You should look into that. Clear? So these are the important topics from the second unit. In next video, I will explain about third unit important questions.